Cool Bro wants to take a bath, but there's no water. That tub is almost empty. Oh, I guess oh my goodness. There's enough water in it to take a bath. Oh, look at you. Wow, that makes me happy actually. I'm glad, because I was going to dump that water out and just let it fill up with fresh water like I've done the other tubs. There are leaves in there, there are worms in there. He's having a good time. He picked a good spot to take a bath. His brother wasn't going to share anyway, so he might as well take one in the other tub. I love seeing him happy. I am wondering where D1 is. I think D1 might be in where Tuffy is.